I came to Sydney for a better life. Took a piano course. I enjoy it. I came here and they gave me a grooming job. They offered me an apprenticeship beginning of this year. And I'm happy man ever. They're friendly, good environments, good people. I love the job. I love everything. The training I'm getting here is quite good. Different experience almost every day. I learn a lot. I got 4 kids. That's the other thing that pushes me so hard. I have to try my best to qualify and move up. Maybe look up to manager position. Maybe own my own business. I'm living my dream now.